Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to take you through another Bliss ball recipe. Now Bliss balls are one of my favorite things to indulge in and to enjoy, and I truly believe that a balanced diet should be about enjoying those foods that you love. Bliss balls are definitely one of those things for me. So today's recipe is going to be a matcha and white chocolate bliss ball. So definitely a more indulgent one than the ones I'm normally used to sharing with you guys. This is obviously not refined sugar free, but so delicious because I do love my fair share of white chocolate and I also love matcha, and when you put them together they are so good. So yeah, if you want to find out how to make them, then please keep watching. So to make bliss balls, I always like using a food processor, just something to blitz all the ingredients together. So what I have in this bowl at the moment is just 50 grams of ground almonds and 50 grams of cashew nuts. What we're going to do is just quickly blitz them together to get the cashew nuts nice and ground and mixed in with the ground almonds. Next, we're going to add in the matcha powder. So I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. It is really strong, so you can always add just 1 teaspoon, but I love the taste of it. So 2 teaspoons of that goes in there. And then I've just got a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now, if you live in the UK and it's a bit cooler, then it is solid at room temperature. So I've just quickly melted it down and then I'm going to add that in, and then we're going to blitz those together as well. Next, we're just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So just pure maple syrup. So 2 tablespoons of that goes in for the sweetness. And then once again, we're going to blitz it. And then 30 grams of desiccated coconut. What I tend to do is from here, just add a teaspoon of water in at a time until the mixture starts to come together. So I've just added in a teaspoon of water here, and I'm just going to keep doing that, blend it together until the mixture forms a nice dough ball. So there's our mixture, and that's what we want it to look like. So it's coming together nicely. So now what we're going to do is we're going to roll it into little balls and just set them to one side. So I've managed to get about 10 little balls out of that mixture, but it depends on how big you like your sweet treats. And then what I've got is a baking tray with some greaseproof paper on. And in a bowl here, I've just melted over some hot water 75 grams of white chocolate. And what I'm going to do is just take each ball and I'm going to roll it in the white chocolate. And then I'm just going to pop it on the baking tray like that, and I'm going to do it for all the balls. So there are all the little balls, and then I'm just going to finally sprinkle over with a little bit more desiccated coconut. So this is unsweetened desiccated coconut, but if you wanted to make it even more indulgent, then you could use the sweetened version as well, but it's definitely not a clean treat, so that's why I'm saying this recipe. And there you have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop these in the fridge to set, and then I would recommend keeping them in the fridge. I do that with all the bliss balls anyway, just because they stay fresher for longer. But I'm going to put them in the fridge to set and then transfer them over to an airtight container. But that's it. Those are the matcha bliss balls, and they are so delicious. So yeah, make them, enjoy them, and yeah, they're definitely a wonderful sweet treat.